Hello, Boushall Eagle families. It's your school principal, Dr. Cindy Robinson here, and I'm so sorry that I'm not able to join you all this evening at our 6th grade orientation and open house. But I am here in spirit. I am actually with my own children at their open house night. So, families, know that you are exactly where you're supposed to be, and your children are in excellent hands here at the Eagle's Nest. Today, you're going to get lots of information about our amazing programs, information about how middle school runs, information about our community partners and extended day partners. And so please enjoy as you learn more about our school, pick up your child's schedule, and get to know some of the resources that we have in our building. I hope that you enjoy this time that we have, and we can't wait to get to know your scholar next Monday and partner with you and your family all year long. And as we say, in the land of the Boushall Eagles fly high every time.